Good day, everyone. Last meeting, we have discussed the introduction to computer programming language. We have known the definition of the input, process, output pattern, and how to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So for our topic for today, we will discuss the software development life cycle, or the SDLC. Let's define first what is the meaning of the SDLC, or the software development life cycle. SDLC is the process used in creating computer systems. It consists of a detailed plan describing how to develop and maintain a system. We all know that writing a software is a very complex and time-consuming task, involving a whole team and other specialists. To make a software, the team should follow these stages. We have the requirements, the planning and design, implementation, testing and debugging, deployment, and the support and maintenance. Let's have first the first stage, the requirements. In requirements, the gathering of requirements defines actions by the user and the computer. The requirements for the product are usually defined in the form of documentations, procedures, rules, and SOPs, written in English or any other language, which can be done through interviews, observations, or surveys. There is no programming done at this stage. Let's proceed to the planning or the planning and design. Planning for the implementation of a project is created by describing the platforms, technologies, and the initial architecture or the design of the program. This step includes a fair amount of creative work. They are written in such a way that can be easily understood by programmers, usually through pseudocodes or algorithms. The third one, we have the implementation. When we say implementation is the stage that is closely connected with programming. And the implementation stage, at this phase, the source code is written according to the given task and design. Next one is the testing and debugging. One of the very important parts of software development is product testing. This will make sure that all the requirements needed for the software are being strictly followed and created. Product testing is done by the user of the software, who evaluates the software and adds comments and suggestions about the software for improvement. Once evaluated, the programmers will modify the program, which includes fixing of errors called bugs. The process of fixing error is called debugging. Once the program is free of errors, it is considered finished and ready to use. The fifth one is the deployment. Deployment is the process which puts a given software product into exploitation. A special program called installer was developed to ensure quick and easy installation of the program or of the product. The manual on how to use the product is also included in the deployment. And the last one, we have the support and maintenance. The final stage in programming is the maintenance or updating of the program. This is the point where the programmer is tasked to keep the program running smoothly, provide updates and improvements in consideration of development and the changes in the field where it is used. So if you have any question about the software development life cycle, please comment in our comment section. So on our next topic, we will discuss the flowchart, the pseudocodes, and the algorithms. Thank you and God bless.